Hello class, it's me Mr. Knight. I'm in disguise as a Frenchman. As you can see, I've come to the castle where they're holding the king, and we're going to have a quick look around today and see if we can find ways in which we might be able to get him out. Right, so I'm really close to the French castle now. Best put my disguise back on. And let's go and take a closer look. So as you see, the turret behind is really tall. It's going to take a lot of climbing to get up there. I think we best look for another route of attack. I think this might be a good way in. Right, I think it's time. I'm going to go in. Right, this wall here, this would be perfect. If we could get up on that wall, perhaps with a big ladder, then we might get inside the castle. We have to be really careful because the French will be pouring boiling water at us from there and firing arrows. We'd have to design something pretty good. When we come up, these gates will probably be closed. If only we could think of a way to get through them. There's no way in from here. Good, it's you. I think we'd best go and have a quick look around on the walls, see if we can find some vantage points where we can attack from. Now if we can use that vantage point and we can design something big enough to fire a missile at these walls, I think we just might have a chance of freeing the king. We're going to have to try really hard to get through walls that are this thick. This tower behind me is where the French are keeping our king, and I still remember the last time we tried to free him. It still hurts. Now if you look over the walls, you can see evidence of last time we tried to free him. We've got to be careful. They seem to have lookouts everywhere. Come on, the coast is clear. So this is the highest vantage point at the castle. Now we're not going to get much chance to get up here, it's very high. But if we can get on those walls, maybe we could design something. We're going to have to be really careful on this mission. If the French catch us, we'll be in the stocks. So right now, we're in the heart of the castle and I think we've been spotted. I think it's time for us to leave. So I think it's safe for me to take my disguise off now. Phew, pretending to be a Frenchman was quite hard. I think we ought to go back to the classroom now and look at different ways in which we might be able to get the king out and different things we can make to siege this castle. Now I've got to be careful that I've not noticed. See you back in the classroom. Goodbye.